Are you ready to get ripped in just 20 minutes a day? Let's talk about the power of a 20 minutes full body workout. This is a fitness routine designed to maximize your efforts and deliver results efficiently. It's all about working multiple muscle groups at once, allowing you to torch more calories and build more muscle in less time. We understand that one of the biggest challenges people face when it comes to fitness is finding the time. That's where the beauty of a 20 minutes full body workout comes in. It's versatile and adaptable, fitting neatly into a lunch break, a morning routine, or a post-work wind-down. It's a solution that caters to the busiest of schedules without compromising on effectiveness. This workout isn't just about efficiency, though. It's about pushing your body, challenging your limits, and achieving a ripped physique that's both strong and agile. Now, let's dive into the routine that will transform your body. First things first, let's talk about the importance of proper form and technique. Now, when it comes to working out, how you do an exercise matters just as much, if not more, than what exercise you're doing. Performing exercises with the right form and technique not only maximizes your results but also significantly reduces the risk of injury, allowing you to keep working towards your fitness goals without any unwanted setbacks. Let's start with a basic exercise, the squat. It's a whole body workout that primarily targets your thighs, hips, quadriceps, glutes, and hamstrings. When doing squats, keep your feet shoulder-width apart, back straight, and lower yourself as if sitting back into a chair. The key here is to make sure your knees don't go beyond your toes to avoid unnecessary strain. Next up is the push-up, an excellent upper body workout. Start in a high plank position, hands directly under your shoulders, and lower your body until your chest nearly touches the floor. Keep your body as straight as possible throughout the movement, engaging your core and squeezing your glutes. This is your ticket to toned arms and a strong core. Then we have lunges, another full body exercise that primarily targets your lower body. Stand tall, take a step forward with one foot and lower your body until your front knee is at a 90-degree angle. Your back knee should hover just off the floor. Remember to keep your upper body straight and engage your core. Lastly, let's touch on the deadlift, a powerful exercise for your back, glutes, and hamstrings. Stand with your feet hip-width apart, holding a barbell or dumbbells in front of you, bend at your hips and knees, lower your torso, and then push back up to the starting position. The key here is to keep your back straight and push through your heels. These are just a few examples, but the principle remains the same for all exercises. Proper form and technique are paramount. When you focus on doing each rep correctly, you'll see better results and reduce the risk of injury. Remember, quality always trumps quantity when it comes to exercise. Ready to step up your game? This next exercise will push you to your limits. You've heard the saying, no pain, no gain, right? Well, in the world of fitness, it's not just a cliche, it's a mantra. It's a reminder that to break through plateaus, to really define those muscles, you've got to challenge yourself. And that's exactly what we're about to do. Now, let's dive into an exercise that's going to bring the heat. It's a combination move that targets multiple muscle groups simultaneously, amplifying your burn and maximizing efficiency. It's called the burpee into a tuck jump. Sounds intense, right? That's because it is. You start with a regular burpee, dropping down into a push-up position, completing a full push-up, then jumping your feet back in. But here's the kicker. Instead of just standing up, you're going to launch yourself into a tuck jump. That's knees to chest at the peak of your jump. This combination is a powerhouse move that targets your chest, arms, quads, glutes, hamstrings, and core. The beauty of this exercise is its versatility. No equipment needed, just your body, your determination, and a pinch of grit. It's a full-body workout condensed into one explosive, dynamic move. Remember, form is key. Don't rush. Control your movements, engage your core, and always land softly to protect your joints. And most importantly, listen to your body. It's okay to start slow and build up your speed and endurance over time. This exercise is going to test your limits. You're going to feel the burn. Your heart's going to pound. You might even question why you're doing this. But trust me, when you start seeing those muscles pop, when you feel stronger and more capable than you ever thought possible, you'll know it was worth it. So are you ready to take on the challenge? Are you ready to push past your comfort zone and step into a realm of true fitness growth? Yes, it's tough, but that's what it takes to get results. Why should you opt for a full-body workout? Imagine a fitness regimen that's not just efficient but also effective. That's what a 20 minutes full-body workout brings to the table. A key benefit of full-body workouts is that they target every major muscle group in your body all at once. This means you're not just focusing on one isolated area, but you're developing a balanced physique by engaging all muscle groups. And let's talk about time. In our busy lives, finding the time to work out can be a challenge. 20 minutes full body workout is a time saver. You're hitting everything in one session. It's like a buffet of exercises for your muscles, and your body loves it. But there's more. 20 minutes. Full body workout is calorie tortures. When you engage more muscles in a workout, you're burning more calories. It's simple math, and this increased calorie burn is not just during the workout. It continues even after you've finished. This phenomenon is known as the afterburn effect. Your body keeps burning calories at a higher rate for hours after the workout. Another bonus? 20 minutes. Full body workout can help improve your flexibility and coordination, and they also boost your cardiovascular health. So, if you're looking to get ripped, you want a workout that's efficient, effective, and balanced. You want a 20 minutes full body workout. So there you have it, a 20 minutes full body workout is your ticket to a ripped physique. Now it's your turn to take action. Dare to challenge yourself with this 20-minute full body workout. It's a journey, not a race, so take it at your own pace. Remember, the first step is often the hardest, but it's also the most rewarding. So, subscribe and stay tuned for more fitness content that will guide you to your goals. Share your progress in the comments. We're all in this together. Start your 20 minutes full body workout journey today and let's get ripped together.